Hello. In this problem, we have a quarterback tosses a football to a receiver 40 yards downfield. The height of the football, f of x, in feet, can be modeled by f of x equals negative 0.025 x squared plus x plus 6, where x is the ball's horizontal distance in yards from the quarterback. We want to know what is the ball's maximum height and how far from the quarterback does this occur. We want to answer in a complete sentence. Okay, so basically what we have here is we have a quadratic function, and I want to know effectively what is the vertex from this function, because this is a parabola and it's opening downward, so it's going to look like this, which means that there is a maximum point, and that maximum point is the vertex. Now remember, the formula for the vertex, the x-coordinate of the vertex, is h equals negative b over 2a. So if I look up here, I replace b and a with what they are. B in this case is 1, so it gives me negative 1 over 2 times negative 0.025. So this gives me negative 1 over 2 times negative 0.025 is negative 0.05. At this point, you can just type this into the calculator. Now, I'm pretty sure that that's 20, but let me check. Okay, I just typed it into the calculator and it is 20, so that's good. At this point, what I need to do is I need to figure out what is f of 20. In other words, go here, type in f of 20. So all you have to do is do negative 0.025 times 20 squared plus 20 plus 6. And then you just plug that into the calculator. 1 second. Okay, here's my calculator. I can simply type this in. Notice I can do negative 0.025 parentheses 20 close parentheses squared plus 20 plus 6 and click enter, and that tells me 16. But if you want to be a little bit more careful than that, you can go to y equals and you can type in the original function itself, negative 0.025 x squared plus x plus 6, and I'm going to go ahead and quit to the home screen at this point, and I'm going to go to vars, write 1 to the y variables, click 1 or enter for the function, and we typed it into y1, so I'm going to do y1 of 20, and then close your parentheses and click enter. Notice it's the same thing. The same thing is happening, it doesn't really matter. Whichever way you wish to do that, I would say go ahead. So this is telling me that this gives me 16. Now the question is, what does the coordinate 20, 16 tell me? Well, 20 is where this occurs, and 16 is how high the ball is. Okay, so basically write down in a sentence saying that the maximum height occurs at 20 yards downfield and the ball is 16 yards high.